Well, today I'm fishing way downriver on Sugar Cube Creek, and I'm kind of going after flathead catfish today. I'm in a spot where I've caught several flatheads before, and I wanted to show you that. All of these overhanging trees, a little bit farther down there's some stumps and logs in the water. There's root balls, stuff like that. And so today I'm trying to target the flatheads, and if I catch a few channel cat, that'd be good too. The water temperature today is 58 degrees. I'm not sure how that's going to play out. That's a little colder than I'd like, but the other rivers that are dumping into here are running a little bit bigger this year, but overall the main river is down about 2 feet. I'm at 7,200 CFS instead of 7,600 from last year, and I'm about 200 yards upriver from where I started last year. So I'm just kind of exploring a little bit new area and trying to find some spots that might hold some flatheads. There's a wild turkey. If he does what the other ones did, he's gonna fly right there. That's pretty cool. Well, I've got the first catfish of 2013 on. I'm gonna try to get this thing in here, and I'll show some rod bend in action. It's kind of rolling around out there a little bit. He's a nice sized little channel cat. There he is right there. I've got a real nice catfish on right now. It is too tough to tell right now if it's a channel cat or a flathead, but it has a really big tail. All I've seen of it is just the tail. Man, it's dragging a lot of line. Man, that's a nice fish. Old Sugar Cube special right there. Man, that thing is heavy enough that he's not wanting to come in. Current's a little bit fast today because the river is low. Oh, he came up for just a minute. That's a real nice catfish right there. That's just a real nice catfish. That's a real nice catfish. I don't know how long he is, but he's probably one of the bigger ones I've gotten today. It's a real nice fish. I'm keeping a few today so I can have a fish fry. Normally I would let these fish go, but I'm gonna keep just a few of them today. See if I can get another one. Well, I got quite a pickle going on right now. I've got 2 catfish on at the same time. I got the one fish up close to the bank, and I went ahead and just tethered it. And I've got both of them right here. I've got myself quite a mess, but there is a nice fish right there. I'm gonna see if I can get this straightened out. Well, I've got a pretty good one on my ultralight right now. I've already had him on for a little while now. Couple of 2 or 3 minutes, something like that. He's really been stripping a lot of line off of me. There he is. That's a big cat. I don't know how big he is, but he's a good one. I'll shut it off and I'll take care of him.